Good afternoon, students. As we are discussing the topic mensuration, we are revising all the formulas from perimeter and area. So without proofs, let us revise all the remaining figures also. So in yesterday's class, we revised these formulas. For square, perimeter is 4 into side, area is side into side or side square. And the relation between diagonal and side of a square is diagonal is root 2 times of the side. And rectangle, perimeter is 2 into L plus B, area is L into B, and the diagonal is given by square root of L square plus B square. Parallelogram, perimeter is sum of all the sides, but opposite sides are equal. Let us call them A and B. So perimeter is going to be 2 into A plus B. And the area is base into corresponding height. Whichever base you take, you have to draw the height onto that base only. So it is base into corresponding height. Trapezium, sum of all the sides is perimeter, and area is half into sum of the parallel sides plus perpendicular distance between them. And quadrilateral, perimeter is sum of all the sides and area is half into diagonal into sum of the heights drawn onto the diagonal. And triangle, perimeter is sum of all the sides and area is given by half into base into corresponding height. So remember, the height should be drawn onto the considered base only. And whenever, if height is not given, if only 3 sides are given, then also we can find the area of the triangle using Heron's formula. So to use Heron's formula, first we should find what is semi-perimeter. So first find perimeter and divide it by 2. You'll get semi-perimeter denoted by the letter S. So after you find S, then you can find the area, square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Using that formula, we are able to find the area of triangle. That is called Heron's formula. And after that, some more figures we are going to discuss now today. So trapezium, parallelogram, rectangle we have discussed. Now let us take rhombus. So we know that in rhombus, all sides are equal. Let us say each side is equal to S. So every side is equal to S. Then perimeter is very simple. So S is added 4 times. That is S plus S plus S plus S. That is going to be 4 times S. That will give you the perimeter of rhombus. Now area. So to find the area of a rhombus, we can also use area of parallelogram formula, that is base into corresponding height, because every rhombus is a parallelogram. If you consider this as your base and this corresponding height you can consider as H, then you can use B into H is going to be the area. Because every rhombus is a parallelogram, we can use this formula. And moreover, another formula also we can use, that is, let us say the diagonals length are D1 and D2. So let us say this diagonal is D1 and let us say this diagonal is D2. Then the area of the rhombus is also given by another formula, that is half into D1 into D2. So we can prove all these formulas, but without proof you just remember them. Area of the rhombus is half into the product of diagonals, half into D1 into D2. So this is about rhombus. So we know that in rhombus the diagonals bisect each other and they are perpendicular to each other. So whenever possible, we can always Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, that is side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So some questions may be based on this Pythagoras theorem. So this is about rhombus. And kite also we can use the same formula, that is kite, two pairs of adjacent sides are going to be equal. Let us say this is kite, this is equal to this and this is equal to this. In kite also we know diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Let us say this is D1 and let us say this is D2. Then area of the kite is going to be half into D1 into D2. And perimeter, we know in kite, let us say this is A, this also become A because adjacent sides are equal. Let us say this is B, this also become B. So sum of the sides, A plus B plus A plus B. So this A plus B repeated twice, so we can say 2 times A plus B. That is the perimeter of kite. So using all these formulas, we are able to solve the questions based on perimeter and area. Okay. And the last figure we are going to discuss about circle. So circle we don't call perimeter, we say circumference. So there is an important property about circle. You take circle of any size, small, big, very small, medium size, whatever size the circle it may be. Let us find the circumference of the circle, and let us say this is C1, and let us say the diameter of the circle is D1, and you find the ratio between C1 and D1. And for the second circle also, you take the circumference of the circle is C2 and the diameter length is D2. Then find C2 by D2. Similarly, do the same thing for all this. C3 and this diameter length is D3. The circumference is C4 and this diameter length is D4. So you find C3 by D3 and C4 by D4. So irrespective of the size of the circle, you'll be finding all of them are going to be equal. So for any circle, the ratio between circumference and diameter is equal, and that constant we are going to name it pi. So for any circle, circumference divided by diameter is going to be a constant, and that we call pi. So transposing d to the other side, we get circumference is equal to pi d. So whenever diameter is given, then circumference of the circle we can find using pi d. So what is this pi? So pi approximate value in fractions, you can use 22 by 7, or in decimals you can use 3.14. Okay. So when to use 22 by 7 and when to use 3.14, I'll be explaining in the questions. So whenever diameter is given, circumference we can find using the formula pi into d. And if radius is given, what we can do, in place of d, we can write diameter is 2 times the radius. So we can write 2r. So if you multiply them, you can write circumference equal to 2 pi r. So we can use this formula also. But when you have to use this, when diameter is given, that is circumference is equal to pi times the diameter. When radius is given, you can use this circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So this is about circumference. And area, there is a derivation, but without the proof, let us try to write the area. Area of circle is pi r square. Okay. So area of a circle is given by pi r square. So sometimes in the questions related to circle, circumference they will give, and they're asking you to find the area. They will be giving area and asking you to find the circumference. Then without finding the radius, there is a relation between area and circle. That is, you have to remember this. Area of a circle is equal to c square by 4 pi. You remember this. That means without finding the radius, we can establish the relation between area and circumference of a circle. That is, a is equal to c square by 4 pi. So you remember all these formulas. So let us revise once again what are the formulas useful in circle. Circumference is pi d, pi times the diameter. And when radius is given, we can use the formula circumference is 2 pi r. And how to find area of the circle? That is pi r square. And there is a relationship between area and circumference, that is equal to a is c square by 4 pi. So remember all this. And if you know circle formulas, then they can be applied for semicircle and semicircle. So what is semicircle? Half part of a circle. So it's like this. So this is the center. So this is the center. Let us say this is O. If this is radius R, this is also radius R. So we need to find this curved part. Suppose if the full circle is there, it is 2 pi r. Half of the part we can say pi r, because 2 pi r half is pi r. Now we can find the perimeter. What is the perimeter? R plus pi r. R plus r is 2r, and this is pi r. We can take r common. So I'll be getting 2 plus pi into r. So this is the perimeter formula of a semicircle. 2 plus pi multiplied by r. And area is very simple. So that is half of the area of a circle. So we can say pi r square is the area of circle, and in that half, that is divided by 2. So this is the area of a semicircle. Similarly, questions may be asked on quarter circle also. What is quarter circle? So fourth part of a circle. You take a full circle and divide into 4 equal parts. So each part is called a quarter circle. So this is a quarter circle, and the angle will be right angle here, because 360 degrees divided by 4, you get each angle is equal to right angle. Let us say this is r and this is r. So we don't know this curved part. So what we have to do, take the full circumference, that is 2 pi r, and divide into 4 equal parts. We get 2 2s are 4, and we get pi r by 2. So what is this curved part in the quarter circle? That is pi r by 2. Now we can find the perimeter of quarter circle, that is r plus pi r by 2. R plus r is 2r, and this is pi r by 2. So if you want to take r common, so you'll be getting 2 plus pi by 2 times r. So this is a perimeter of a quarter circle. And area is very simple, that is Full circle area is pi r square, and in that fourth part, this is pi r square by 4. This is the area of a quarter circle. So using all these formulas, you are able to solve all the questions from perimeter and area. So semicircle, what are the formulas we discuss? Perimeter is circumference formula. Perimeter is 2 plus pi times r, and area of the semicircle is pi r square by 2. Quarter circle perimeter is 2 plus pi by 2 times r, and area is pi r square by 4. So students, any doubts in the formulas we discussed today? Okay, after the triangle. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. After that, we will start solving the problems. Mayuk, you have any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you show the rhombus?
Okay, rhombus. Yes, rhombus is here.
Sir, you told the area of the breadth, height, that is, yes, sir.
Yeah, every rhombus is a parallelogram, right?
Sir, but that diagonal and diagonal of D1 and D2 are different, no?
Yeah, they are different, but the final answer is going to be same. Actually, it is not breadth and height; it is base and corresponding height. Okay.
Okay.
So
which
they may
leg
be different, but the final area is going to be same. Yes.
which leg they are same?
So if base and corresponding height are given, you use BH formula. If diagonals are given, you use half into D1 into D2. Okay.
Okay.
Harini. Harini, what is your doubt?
Sir, how can we find pi value equals to, sir, what is the proof of pi equals to 22 by 7?
It is not exact value, it is the approximate value. Okay, actually pi is an irrational number. You take any sized circle and find the circumference and diameter. So after some decimals, they may try to change. Okay, but the initial part is same, because while measuring we may do some error. Okay, so mathematically we will be getting, it is a neither terminating or nor recurring decimal. So that's why it is irrational number. But irrational number, infinitely many decimals we cannot write. That's why to use in general sense, we use the nearest fraction is 22 by 7 and the nearest decimal is 3.14. But both of them are wrong. They are only close approximations.
I mean, doesn't has any proof.
Proof will be there. We can check with an activity. You can take a circle of any size, find the circumference and diameter manually and divide. So do this for more number of circles, you'll be getting the approximate value. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And Abhiday, have any doubts? You're not audible. Harshavardhan?
Sir?
Yes, you have any doubts?
Sir, yes, sir. Can you explain circle?
See, circle, I told you already, the ratio between circumference and diameter of any circle is same, and that constant we are calling pi. So
Yes,
C by D is equal to pi. Transpose D to the other side, you get C is equal to pi D, right?
yes, sir. Sir?
And diameter is 2 times the radius. Use 2r in place of D. So you'll be getting 2 pi r also. So when diameter is given, use the formula pi D to find the circumference. And when radius is given, use the formula 2 pi r to find the radius. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, that area and circumference relation means
A is equal to C square by 4 pi. So that is useful when circumference is given and you are asked to find area, or area is given, you want to find the circumference. This formula is useful. Without finding the radius, directly you can convert between area to circle and circle to area. Oh, sorry, circumference to area. Okay.
Thank you.
Sanvi, you have any doubts? Sanvi?
Sir.
Yes, you have any doubt, ma? Sanvi? Sanvi, you are not audible. Sanvi and Abhi, they try to leave the class and join again. So these are the formulas useful for solving the questions from perimeter and area. So let's check the first question in perimeter and area chapter. So 2023 exam, there was a question. Ria is doing a paper cutting activity. She cuts out 4 identical square corners of the rectangular sheet as given in the figure. Find the area and perimeter of the remaining sheet. So not the cut pieces. After the cut pieces are removed, then the remaining sheet you should find area and perimeter. So who is going to answer this question? Raise a hand if you want to answer. Harini, can you read the question again?
Ria is doing a paper cutting activity. She cuts out 4 identical square corners of the rectangular sheet as given in the figure. Find the area and perimeter of the remaining sheet.
Yes. First, I want to find the area.
Sir, we should find the area of the whole rectangle, and we should find the area of this cut, cutted piece of square, and we should subtract from it, sir.
Okay, first, what is the area of the original rectangle?
Sir, 480 centimeters square.
Okay, so use the formula, that is length times breadth, that is L into B. This is giving the area of the original rectangle. Now, how many pieces are removed?
Sir, 4 pieces.
4 pieces. So 4 multiplied by each piece area. Each piece is in which shape?
Sir, square. 4 for the
Square
6.
area. Square area is side into side. So we can write 4 times 4. So this will give you the area, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us simplify.
Yes, sir.
Simplify this.
Sir, 480 minus
Yes.
the 64.
Yes, 4 cube is 64. Now subtract.
Sir, 400. Sir, 416.
Yes, 416. What are the units?
Sir, centimeter square.
Square centimeter we can write, or even we can write centimeter square. Okay. And now perimeter. I want the perimeter.
Sir, sir, we should first 2 into L plus B, sir.
Okay, 2 into L plus B for what?
Sir, for rectangle.
Okay, after finding, what you will do?
Sir, I will find that the perimeter of the square.
Then what you do?
Sir, subtract.
That will give you the wrong answer. Okay, that is not the way we are going to find. See, this shaded part, we are going to find the perimeter. You find area, it will work. Area of the bigger part minus area of the cut pieces, you'll get the remaining. But for the shaded part, if you want to find the perimeter, find the perimeter of the rectangle and 4 squares perimeter and subtract. That will give you wrong answer. Okay, what do you mean by perimeter? Length of the boundary, right?
So we should find that length of the boundary and area of that square.
Come again, how you are going to find the perimeter of this shaded part?
So perimeter of the rectangle and the area of the square.
There is no relation between area and perimeter. See, so you can see after the cut pieces are gone, so you can see a shape like this.
Yes, sir.
This shape, I want the perimeter. How can we find the area of this, perimeter of this shape?
Sir, 24 minus 8, sir.
24 minus 8. Then you are going to get this.
Sir, length.
Then you are going to get this part, right?
Yes, sir.
And again?
Sir, then 20 minus 8.
So they are going to get this part, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are you going to do with this 2?
Sir, I will multiply that. Sir, I will do that using this formula 2 into L plus B.
That will give you wrong answer. Okay, Harini, you can try again. So giving wrong method to solve the perimeter. Okay, so any other students want to give the correct answer for this? How to find the perimeter of the shaded parts? Pranay? Yes, Pranay, how to find the perimeter of the shaded parts?
Sir.
Pranay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me how to find the perimeter of the shaded part.
Sir, 24 minus 8, 20 minus 8,
Okay.
and then, sir, 24 minus 8 becomes 16, 16, 2 are 32, 32 plus 12, 24,
That's
32
it?
plus,
That's it?
yes, sir.
24 minus 8 is 16 and 20 minus 8 is 12. So 16 added 2 times, 12 added 2 times. You'll get the answer.
Yes, sir.
No, you are missing something, Pranay. Check once again. Vishnu, can you try how to find the perimeter of this shaded part?
Sir, it is equal to the area of the full thing without cutting.
I'm not asking about area. I'm asking area is over 416 square centimeter. I want the perimeter.
Sir, perimeter only I'm talking about.
Yeah, what you're saying, perimeter is equal to?
Sir, the entire thing without the boxes getting cut.
That means the perimeter of the original rectangle itself is the perimeter, right?
Sir.
Okay, that is correct, but why?
Sir, because the outside square can get folded into the inside square.
It's not about folding. Actually, you can say like this. See, when you cut this part, this is taking away from the perimeter, and this also has been taken away from the perimeter, and those two are added here, right? So two parts are removed from the perimeter and two parts are added to the perimeter. Then there will be no change in the perimeter, right? Area will change, but perimeter won't change, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now can you tell me the perimeter of the shaded part?
Sir, 2 into L plus B.
So you can do simply 2 into 24 plus 20. So I hope everybody understood the perimeter of the shaded part is same as the perimeter of the original rectangle before cuts, whatever it is there, because two parts are removed from the perimeter and two parts are added to the perimeter. So then there will be no change on the perimeter. So it is 2 multiplied by 44. What is the answer?
Sir, 88.
Yes, 88 centimeters. Okay. Some people may also, Vishnu, you can mute, very good. Some people may also find the answer like, see here, this is the shape we get, and you may also solve it like this, but I don't suggest this method. The easiest method we have already did. Okay. See, 24 minus 4 on the left, 4 on the right. If you subtract, 24 minus 8 is going to be 16. So this is 16 and this is 16. And breadth wise, 20 minus 8 is going to be, this is 12 and this is 12. And the inner parts are, this is 4, this is 4, 4, everywhere it is 4. Okay. So now you can add all of them to get the boundary. So 4 repeated how many times? So at every corner there are 2, 4 2s are 8. So 4 into 8 plus 16 repeated 2 times and 12 repeated 2 times. So this also will give you the answer. That is 32 plus 32, 64. 64 plus 24 is 88. So you can see that we got the same answer. But this is not the suggestion method. So you can see what is the relationship between the original rectangle perimeter and the shaded part perimeter. It is not changed. Why? Because two parts are removed. One part removed here and one part removed, and they are added here. So similar parts are removed and added into the perimeter. So there is no change in the perimeter. So we can use the perimeter of the original rectangle only to find the answer, that is 88 centimeters. So which option is correct? That is 416 square centimeter and 88 centimeters. The option A is correct. So to find the perimeter of such figures, don't depend on everything, all the parts inside. So establish a relation between the original perimeter and the figure what is left, that perimeter. So in this case, they are same. That's why 88 centimeters we got. So the answer we got area 480 and the perimeter is 88. So in the textual solution, you can see, so they use the second method of using all the parts inside it and adding, they'll get 88. But no need of doing that. You can say still the rectangle area is equal to the 88 centimeters. Sorry, perimeter is 88 centimeters. Okay, we'll move to the next question. This question came in 2023 exam. That is, so same year you get one more question from mensuration. So you can see, find the area of the unshaded region in the given figure. Okay, so what is unshaded region? We need to find. So you see this 1.5 centimeters, to represent that they use that part as unshaded, but it is still shaded inside the figure. Okay, so now you need to find the unshaded region. What is that area you need to find? Okay, so he's going to answer this. Yes, Sanvi. Sanvi.
Sir,
Yes, how to find the shaded, unshaded region area?
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Okay.
Sir, from
In the
previous
previous
question.
Okay, tell me, ma. What's your doubt?
Sir, the perimeter.
See, perimeter is nothing but, see, there was a rectangle initially. Okay, can you find the perimeter easily?
Yes, sir.
What is the perimeter? 2 into L plus B, you'll get the perimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
So later what I'm doing, I'm cutting this part out. That means from the perimeters, these two parts are removed, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
In the new part, so this will be added to the perimeter and this will be added to the perimeter.
Yes, sir.
That means from the perimeter, two parts are removed and same length parts are added. So will there be any change?
No.
That's why The remaining part also perimeter will be equal to the perimeter of the outer rectangle only. That's why we found the outer rectangle perimeter. That's it. Answer is 88 centimeters. Is it clear, Sanvi?
Yes, sir.
So same length parts are removed and added. So there is no change in the perimeter. So Sanvi, can you try this question? Are you on time?
Sir, one time.
Okay, try this.
Try this.
Abhyuday,
Yes,
unshaded region area.
sir, I had a sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a small doubt.
Yes, Abhyuday, tell me.
Sir, you said that relation from area and diameter.
Abhyuday, there is a background noise and you're not audible to me clearly. Okay. So can you sit
Sir,
in a quiet place?
yes, sir.
It's getting resound.
So now,
No, no, not clear. Try to change your place and join the class again. Ashavardhan, can you answer this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to find the unshaded region area?
Sir, first find the area of whole rectangle and find the figure area and subtract, sir.
Okay. First, outer rectangle area. How to find that?
That's 7.2 into 4.
Okay, that will give the outer rectangle area. Now, how to find the shaded region area?
The shaded region area, sir, we want to divide it rectangle, sir, because it is getting 3 rectangles.
You want to divide into 3 rectangles?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me redraw the shaded figure. If I draw it like this. So this is something like this. Okay, now this is 2, this is 2.5, this is 1, this is 1, and this is 0.5, this is 1.5, this is 1.5. Now I want to find the area of the shaded region. How can we find?
Sir, first divide it with a line, sir, because it is the not
Vertical line or horizontal line? Where you want to divide?
sir, vertical.
So like this, you want to divide into 3 parts.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how to find the left rectangle area?
Sir, 2.2 minus 1.5 is equals to 0.5, sir.
Very good. So this is 0.5. Very good. And so
Sir,
similarly, this is also 0.5.
yes, sir.
Okay. So what? Let us say this rectangle name is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is area of the region 1?
Sir, area of the region 1, sir. Sir, we should add all.
No, region 1. I want this area, this one.
Oh, sir, that. Sir, 2 into L plus B.
I'm not finding perimeter, I'm finding area.
Sir, L into B.
So it's 2.5 into 0.5, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is region 2 area?
Sir, region 2. Sir, 1.5 into 2.
Why 1.5 into 2? Length is 1.5. What is the breadth?
Sir, 1.
1. You should use 1, no?
Sir, what is that upside region used for 2 centimeters?
You used this 2 only to find the 0.5, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why it is useful. And just multiply by 2 because region 2, region 3, they're having same area. So no need to find region 3 again. Just multiply by 2, you'll get the sum, right?
Yes, sir.
So this expression should be subtracted from
The total area of the rectangle.
what is total area rectangle, the outer rectangle area?
Sir, 28.8.
7.2 into 4. From this, we are going to subtract this, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let us simplify this. What is 7.2 into 4?
Sir, 28.8.
28.8. Okay. 2.5 into 0.5.
Sir, 2.5 into sir 1.25.
Very good. In 125, introduce 2 decimal places. And 1.5 into 2.
Sir, 1.5 into 2 is equals to sir 3.
Yes, 3. If you add them, you get 4.25, right?
Yes, sir.
Now subtract 4.25. So what is the answer?
Sir, 28.4. 1 minute, sir.
This
Sir,
8, you can treat it as 80. 80 minus 25 is 55. You can say 0.55. 28 minus 4.
sir, 28 minus 4, 24.
So it is 24.55 centimeters square. It is answer C. So very good, Harshavardhan, you can mute. So Harshavardhan did like this. Can any student do it in any another method than this? Okay, let us say this is method 1. So anyone want to solve this question in any other method can raise a hand. Sriyash, will you try in any other method?
Sir?
Can you try in
Yes,
any other method?
yes, sir.
Okay, tell me.
Sir, first 2.5 into 2 is equals to 5, sir.
Very good.
Sir,
Yes,
minus 0.5 into 1.5, sir.
very good. That you'll get the shaded region area, right?
Yes, sir.
I am searching for, I'm trying to get that same answer from the students. So method number 2 will be this one. Okay. So let me write here method number 2. Okay. Method number 2 is, so the figure is in this shape. The shaded part is in this shape. Okay, Harshvardhan divided into 3 parts and found all the 3 parts region and added. But other than that, we can also do like this. This is 2.5, this is 2, and this is 0.5, and this is
Sir,
1.5, and this is 1, this is 1, this is 1.5. Yes, Sriyansh, we need to
sir,
connect these two first, right?
2.5. You didn't write 2.5.
2.5 I wrote no here. So,
Sir, it is not
no
visible,
problem.
sir.
I gave you hand raise button, no? That part may be trimmed for you.
Okay, sir.
Now, are you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, so I'm just connecting these two like this. And after that, what I'm going to do is,
Sum of these three, sir.
no, not three. Just you're doing subtraction of the areas, right?
Yes, sir.
So first you're finding the outer rectangle area. What is this outer rectangle area?
Sir, 5.
So 2 into 2.5, that is outer rectangle area. From that, we are going to subtract this region, shaded region, right?
Yes, sir.
What is that small rectangle area?
Sir, 0.5 into 1.5.
0.5 into 1.5. If you subtract this, you will get the shaded region in the actual figure, and this should be subtracted from 2 into 2.5. So this
Yes,
will
sir.
also give you the same answer. I'm not simplifying here, but you get the same answer, 24.55 centimeters square. Okay, very good,
Yes,
Shreya. So we got both methods are true here. So any method as your wish. Either you want to divide into 3 parts and find the 3 areas and add, or you only divide into 2 pieces. That means this complete figure is 1 and this smaller rectangle is 1 and subtract. Anything you want you can do, but final answer is going to be the same. So this is the correct answer, option C. Very good. Shreyash, you can mute. So in the textual solution, see, we divided vertical using a vertical line. They have divided using a horizontal line also. So even this is also possible. So using horizontal line, you can divide, and again you're going to get 3 regions. So you can add them and still get the same answer. So answer is option C. Next question. So came in 2022 exam. Which one of the following is the incorrect option? Yes, simple question. Who is going to answer this? We want to choose which one is incorrect option here. Yeah, Abhida, you said one doubt in the previous section.
Sir,
Yes, Abhida. What was your doubt?
sir, can I answer this question?
Okay, you can answer.
Which one of the following is the incorrect option?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, you can find the areas of the option.
Okay, that means for every option you're going to multiply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me. Shall we check the option A first?
Yes, sir.
Okay, through option A. Okay, going by option A, what is the area of the rectangle?
Sir, 19.2 into 12.5.
Did you solve it already?
No, sir.
Abhida, you got the answer?
Zero. Sir, yes, sir.
So what is the product you got? 19.2 into 12.5.
Sir, 240.
240 square centimeters. So option A is valid, right?
Yes, sir.
From option B,
Sir, yes, sir.
option B 16 into 15. Are you getting the area is equal to 240 square centimeters?
Yes, sir.
From option C,
Sir, no, sir.
what is 54 into 5?
Sir, 260. Sir, no, sir. 270.
270. So this is the incorrect option. Let's check option B also. 32 into 7.5.
Sir, 240.
So you got 240. So this one is incorrect here. Option C is incorrect. So we need to choose option C. So the answer for this is C. So this is good, but can anybody solve this question in any other way? Okay. So
Sir,
I want more easier version of getting the answer for this kind of questions. So can anybody solve it in any other method other than checking the area of each and every option? Yes, Mayuk, any other method will you suggest? Mayuk, you know any shortcut for this? Vishnu, can you suggest any method? Can you suggest any other method to solve this question?
No, sir.
Okay, all of you listen. Better than you multiply all the options, it may take some time. Let us say this is method number 1. So in method number 2, what I am going to do is, I want the area 240, right? So area 240. I will try to divide it into known numbers. Okay, so I can see 115 here in the option. So what I do, so I know 240 is divisible by 15 or not. I'll check. 15 ones are 15. So 24 minus 15 is 9, and 9090. So it is 16. So 16 into 15 is going to be 240. So nothing I did. 240 I divided by 15, I got 16. So this gave me the correct answer, option B. And similarly, now I want to make this 12.5. So 12.5 can be prepared from 25. So you check whether it is divisible by 25 or not. Okay. That means 240 divided by 25, you just write into 25. Okay, you'll get the answer. But division by 25, everybody know the easier method. Okay, just multiply by 4 and multiply by 4 here. That will give you 960 divided by 100 into 25. So you're getting 0 cancel. It is 9.6 into 25. But 25 I want to make it as 12.5. So divide this by 2. Because we divided this by 2, this you should multiply by 2. So we're getting 19.2 into 12.5. Yes, this is also a valid factor. And checking option C. In option C, I want to prepare a 5 because I can see one 5 here. So already we know that 240 is 16 into 15. I want to make this 15 as 5. So what shall I do? Divide it by 3. So because we divide this by 3, this should be multiplied by 3 to get the same product. So 16 3s are 48 and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So if 5 is there, I should see 148, but 48 is not there. 54 is there. That means option C is wrong. So option C is incorrect. See, you use the options and multiplied, and you're checking 240 you're getting or not. But I'm doing in the reverse way. To get 240, what are the possible way of doing factorization? So like that also you can check whichever is not found the correct factor, you can use that as the incorrect option. Okay. So like this also it is possible. So all of you. So this is called backend method. From 240 we are going forward. Okay. So like this also you can check. And so the solution, only option C we are not getting. 240 remaining all are we are getting. And next 2022 exam there was one more question from area perimeter. The area of a triangle whose base is 12 centimeters and height twice the base is going to answer this question. Sanvi, can you read the question again? Sanvi, read the question again.
The area of a triangle whose base is 12 centimeters and the height twice the base.
What do you mean by twice?
So 2 times.
Okay, there is a triangle and base is given 12 centimeters. Height is twice the base. What is twice 12?
So 24.
24. So you can write 24. And now they're asking the area. What is the area of the triangle we said?
So half into base into height.
Half into base into corresponding height. Okay, you should use that word corresponding. Now tell me, is this 24 corresponding height of this base?
Yes, sir.
24 drawn on the 12 only or other side?
Sir, on the 12 only.
On the 12, and that's why it is corresponding height. Now you can substitute, that is base is 12 and height is 24. Now simplify to get the answer.
So 2 ones, 2 6.
Okay, 2 6. 24 into 6 is?
Sir, I'm doing 6. So 144.
Yes, 144.
44 square centimeters.
Square you can write as square centimeter. But Sanvi, what I do is, if I do, what I do is I don't write 24 here. They said twice 12, no? Okay, then what I do is 12 into 2 I write, because anyhow we are not going to find the answer now. We are going to find the answer later. So in this formula, if you substitute half into base is 12 and height is 12 into 2, we can write here 2 cancel and 12 square is 144. Okay. So until you get the final answer, don't start doing the simplification, because maybe at the end you find easier simplification. That's why don't simplify in the beginning. Try to simplify at the end. That will give you more easy answer. Okay. So that is
Yes,
one
sir.
option B. Yes, Sanvi, very good. You can mute.
Okay, sir.
So this is answer is 144 square centimeters. Next question. So you can see 2022 exam. There's a third question now based on perimeter and area. Find the area of the shaded part of the figure. So who is going to answer this question? Yes, Daksh, can you answer this? How to find the area of the shaded part?
Sir.
Daksh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You have to find the area of the shaded parts.
Sir, 25 centimeters minus 4 minus plus 6.
Why are you adding and subtracting lengths? They're asking area of the shaded part, no?
Yes, sir.
How to find the area of the shaded part? Daksh, you want time to solve again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can try. Yes, Neeraj, can you explain how to get the area of the shaded part?
Sir.
How to get the area of the shaded part?
Sir, first we have to do rectangle boundary have no, sir.
Yeah, first
25.
you find the area of the outer rectangle. After that?
Yes, sir.
After that?
Sir, and we have to find inside of the rectangle one
Okay.
rectangle and one square.
The inner rectangle and square area you will be finding after that.
And subtract.
Yes, very good. So first, I want the area of this rectangle, inner rectangle. What is the area of this?
Sir, side square. No, sir. L into B.
So it is 7 into 4. We can write plus.
Yes, sir.
What is the area of this square?
Sir, 36.
So you can write 6 into 6, 36. This should be added and subtracted from what?
Sir, outer, sir, rectangle of body.
So that is 25 into 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us simplify. What is 25 into 9?
So 1 minute.
9 you can split as 10 and minus 1, right? Use distributive property. 25 into 10 is 250. 25 into 1 is 25. Subtract 250 minus 25, you'll get the answer easily.
So 175.
No. 250 minus 25.
Sir, 250, 225.
Yes, 225. So any multiplication was required? No. Easy. Minus 7 into 4 is
28.
28 and 6 6 are
36.
so 28 plus 36 how much?
So 28 plus 36. Sir, 64.
Yes, subtract 64, then you get the answer.
Sir, 161.
So what you got the answer?
Sir, 161.
161
centimeters square.
square centimeter, or we can write centimeter square. So you got the answer A. Yes, Neeraj, very good. You can mute.
Yes, sir.
So the solution, area of the outer rectangle you find and subtract the sum of the areas of rectangle and square, you get the answer. So that is 161 square centimeter. 2022 exam, same paper, you got one more question on area and perimeter. Okay. If the cost of fencing 1 meters is 215 rupees, then find the cost of fencing a park with length 45 meters and breadth 23 meters. Who is going to answer this? Raise the hand if you want to answer. Rishikesh, read the question again.
Sir,
Yes, Rishikesh.
sir, we have to multiply 1 meter. Sir, 1 meter fencing is cost of 215.
Yes.
Find the cost of fencing a park with length 45 meters and breadth 23 meters.
First of all, the park is in which shape?
Sir, rectangle.
So the park is in rectangular shape. So you can take the park is in rectangular shape. And what is the length?
Sir, 45.
45 meters. And what is the breadth? Say along with the units.
Sir, 23 meters.
Okay. Now, how to find the answer?
Sir, we have to add 45 meters plus 23 meters.
Okay.
Sir, the answer is 68.
Okay.
Then multiply 215 by 68.
No, wrong answer. Fencing should be done. Where fencing is done? Only for this length and breadth. That's it.
Sir,
Yes.
perimeter.
First, you should find perimeter. No, fencing is done at the perimeter. So, what is the perimeter of this rectangle?
Sir, 2 into L plus B, sir.
2 into L plus B. That is 2 into 45 plus 23. This is the perimeter. So, we got the perimeter. These many meters are there. Every meter costs how much?
Sir, 215.
So, to find the total cost, what I can do?
Sir, first we have to find a perimeter.
Okay, I will simplify later, but this is the perimeter I got. These many meters are there. 1 meter costs 215. So these many meters, what is the cost? Just multiply with 215, no?
Yes, sir, I am multiplying.
Okay, now simplify. 2 into, what is 45 plus 23?
Sir, 45. Sir, 68.
68 and multiply by 215.
Sir, 126 into 215.
Okay, see if you get the same question, don't simply multiply like 2 into 68 and from that multiply with 2. No, don't do that. I told you one easy trick. You can see one factor 2 and you can see one factor 5. 2 and 5 pair will make a
Sir, 10.
10. When 10 is there, it's easy to multiply, right? That means you have to split this into two factors having 5. So 5 into which number is going to be 215?
So 43.
5 fours are 20 and 5 threes. Yes. Now this 2 and 5 you make it separate. Okay, because we can add 0 at the end. Now 68 and 43. This will become easy for us, right?
Yes, sir.
Multiply 68 and 43.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 2924.
2924. But you are missing something.
Sir, 0.
Because 2 and 5 make it 10. Any number into 10 will get 0. That's it. Is it very simple to multiply like this?
Yes,
So
sir.
whenever you are finding products, you try to search for 2s and 5s because one pair of 2 and 5 will make a 10 and that will decrease the time of solving the multiplication. Okay. So what is the answer for this?
Sir, 29240 rupees.
Read a proper number, 29,240 rupees.
Sir, option A.
Option A. Yes, Rishikesh, very good. You can mute. So this is the answer, 29,240 rupees. We found the perimeter and multiplied by 215. So we got the total cost required. Now 2021 paper, you got the question. Find the length of a rectangular playground in centimeters whose area is given and breadth is given. So who is going to answer this simple question? Abhyuday, can you answer this? Only few students are raising hand. What happened? Very simple. Area is given to the breadth. Perimeter is given to L plus B. Many students are not showing interest to answer.
Sir,
Yes, Abhyuday, read the question again.
find the length of the rectangular playground in centimeters whose area is 700 square meters and breadth is 25 meters.
Breadth given 25 meters and area given 700 meters square. So you want to find the length in which units?
The centimeters.
Centimeters. First, let us find in meters only. Later, we can convert into centimeters. Okay.
Sir,
How to solve this question?
sir, first, sir, 700 by 700 meters square by 25 meters.
Because we know area of the rectangle is length into breadth, and I want to find the length. Transpose breadth to the left side, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's area by breadth. Area how much?
Sir, 700 meters.
700. And breadth is 25, right?
Sir,
Yes. Okay, now simplify this. Abhyuday, answer.
sir, 28.
See 28, but what you can do is 700, you can write it as 7 into 100. And in every 100, how many 25s are there?
Sir, 4.
So 7 into 4, 28. Right?
Yes, sir.
So 28 meters. The answer, in a hurry, you don't go for option A. The people who are reading the question like this, so I did the answer, I got 28, and I go for option A wrong because they are not asking you in meters, they're asking in centimeters. So here, what is the whatever the answer you got is in meters. First, convert into centimeters. So is option A correct, Abhyuday?
No, sir.
So we have to convert into centimeters.
And multiplied by 100.
Yeah, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 28 into 100. 2800 centimeters. Which option?
Sir, C.
Abhyuday, you thought A or C?
Sir, C.
Yes. So question you have to read completely thoroughly because they are asking the units in centimeters only. Okay. So whenever you got in meters, you have to convert into centimeters if the question is asked like that.
Sir,
Okay.
I had, sir, I had doubt.
Yes, Abhyuday, what is your doubt?
Sir, you said that the relation of diagonal and area.
Come again. Come again.
Sir, you said that formula diagonal to area relation.
For what square it is?
Sir, circle.
Circle diagonal.
Sir,
Diameter you are saying. Diameter.
sir, no, sir, no, sir. Sir, that C2 by pi r. That formula I didn't understand. Sir, C2 means what, sir?
It's not C2, it is C square.
Sir, sir, C square means what?
See the area and circumference relation between area and circumference of a circle. A is equal to C square by 4 pi. That's it. It's not C2, C square.
Sir, C square means circumference square.
Whatever circumference you got, you just square it and divide by 4 pi. You get the area directly.
Okay, sir.
Okay, whenever question comes, I'll explain again. Okay. So, Abhida, you can mute now. So, next question, same year 2021 paper, you got this question. A rectangular garden is 185 meters long and 220 meters wide. It has two roads in its center of uniform width of 4 meters, one parallel to its length and another parallel to its breadth. Find the cost of leveling the roads at 1.25 rupees per square meters. So, who's going to answer this question? Samshuman, can you read the question again? Amshuman. Amshuman, raise a hand again. Vishnu, can you read the question again?
Sir,
Can you read the question again?
a rectangular garden is 185 meters long and 220 meters wide. It has two roads in the center of uniform width of 4 meters, one parallel to its length and the other parallel to its breadth. Find the cost of leveling the roads at 1.25 per meter per square meter.
First of all, the garden is in which shape?
Sir,
The garden is in which shape?
sir, rectangle.
Yes, the garden is in the shape of rectangle. What are the dimensions of this garden?
Dimensions
Yes,
185 meters and 220 meters.
185 meters and 220 meters. This figure is not according to the scale. 185 meters should be smaller than 220, but it is not according to the scale. No problem. So 185 meters is the length, 220 meters is the breadth. Next.
So then there are two roads in the width of 4 meters.
Okay, how I have to draw those two roads?
Say from the center of 185 draw a line here and there and
Okay,
the other.
this is parallel to the breadth or parallel to the length?
Sir, parallel to the breadth.
Yes. Similarly, we have parallel to the length also, right?
Yes, sir.
Both the roads are having uniform width. What is the width of this road? 4.
4
4.
meters. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now, find the cost of leveling the roads at 1.25 rupees per meter square. That means to find the cost, first we need to find the area, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how to find the area of these two roads together?
Sir, sir, multiply 185 and 4 and 4 and 220.
Okay.
And then subtract 16 from it.
Why we need to subtract 16? Can you explain?
Sir, because the center part becomes common.
Yeah, because it is counted 2 times, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
very good answer. See, first, what Vishnu is doing is he finding the area of this rectangle. Then he is finding the area of this rectangle and adding. If you simply add them and find the answer, you'll get wrong answer. Why? Because while finding the area of these two and adding, You can see this part got repeated 2 times, but no need of leveling that road 2 times. Only one time is enough. That means find the area of the horizontal rectangle, vertical rectangle, and then subtract the square portion also. Then only you'll get the correct answer. So the area to be leveled. So 185 into 4 plus 220 into 4. This is the sum of the rectangle's area minus one time the rectangle, the square area should be removed. That is minus 4 into 4. So Vishnu, how will you simplify this?
Sir?
How will you simplify this?
Sir, first multiply 4 and 185.
Don't do that, Vishnu. You have a better method to simplify this.
Uh, then you can add 220 and 185 and then multiply it by 4.
Yeah, actually, there is a common factor 4 you can see everywhere, right? Can't we use the distributive property? Yes?
Sir, 4 into 185.
185 plus 220 minus 4, then multiply by 4. So this is the,
Yes.
what is this? This is the area. Now, I want to find the total cost now. To find the cost, that should be multiplied by 1.25. First, let us simplify this. 185 plus 220.
Mm.
See, Vishnu, do you remember the compensation method to addition or subtraction? 185, how much more it requires to become a round figure?
Sir, 15.
15. Take 15 from this 220.
Okay.
So this will become 200 and this will become 205, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I'm taking 15 from 220 and giving to 185. So 185 becomes 200, 220 becomes 205. Now add them, 200 plus 205.
Sir, 405. And
405
then
minus 4.
if you subtract it by 4, it will become 401.
401 into 4. And finally, we have to multiply by one more number to get the total cost.
The 1.25.
1.25. Now, how are you going to simplify this?
Sir, instead of multiplying 4 into 401, we can multiply 4 into 1.25.
That's why I stopped you to multiply 4 here. Okay. So I'm telling you again and again, never do the simplifications in the beginning. Drag them until the end. Why? Because at the end you will find a better way of solution. Okay. So than multiplying by 404, if you multiply by 1.25, then you get integral answer. So what is 4 into 1.25?
Sir, 5.
Yeah, very good. How can you say that quickly?
Sir, because it is like dividing by 5 is equal to 25.
See, 1.25 is nothing but you can split them into two parts. 1 and 0.25, right?
Yes, sir.
1 into 4 is 4, 0.25 into 4 is 1. Add them and you get 5, right?
Yes, sir.
So finally, we are going to find 401 into 5. This is the answer.
Sir, it is 2005.
2005 rupees. This is the overall cost. So which option, Vishnu?
Sir, D.
Option D is correct. Yes. So this is the answer. So first we found the area to be leveled by adding those two rectangles and subtracting the square, then multiplying by the cost, the rate, then you get the cost. So answer is 2005. Next 2020 paper, you got this question. Manju runs around a rectangular park of length 35 meters and breadth 20 meters. Meenu runs around a square park of side 30 meters. Who covers less distance and by how much? If Meenu takes 4 rounds and Manju takes 3 rounds completely, who is going to answer this question? Raise a hand. Manaswini, can you read this question again? Manaswini,
Sir,
read the question again.
Manju runs around rectangular park of length 35 meters and breadth 20 meters. Meenu runs around
A square park of side 30 meters who covers less distance by how much? By how much if Nino takes 4 rounds and Manju takes 3 rounds completely?
Okay. So first Manju is running around which shaped park?
Sir, rectangular.
So there is a rectangular park. And Meenu is running around which shaped park?
Sir, square.
Square. So I don't want to write the full names Manju and Meenu. I cannot use their first letter because both are M. I say Manju as J, Meenu as N. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Manju. The park dimensions.
Sir, park dimensions is 20. Sir, 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 Manju rectangular park 35 meters as breadth and 20 meters.
35 is length and 20 is breadth, right?
Yes, sir.
And Meenu is running around a square park. What is the side?
Sir, Meenu,
Yes,
30 meters, sir.
30 meters. Suppose if Manju runs around the rectangular shaped park once, then what is the distance she is covering?
Sir, 120 meters, sir.
No, what answer my question. If Manju runs around the rectangular park one round, then how to find the distance covered by her?
Sir, into 4.
Why into 4? I'm not asking Meenu, I'm asking Manju. Manju is here.
3 rounds, sir.
I'm not asking number of rounds. If she runs one round around the park, how to find the distance covered by her?
Sir, 2 into 32, 35, 35 plus 20 into 2.
Is it nothing but the perimeter you have to find?
Yes, sir.
What is the perimeter of rectangle?
Sir, perimeter of a rectangle is 20, 50.
Manaswini, formula perimeter of rectangle.
Sir, 2 into L plus B.
Yes, 2 into length is 35 and breadth is 20. This is for one round, okay? Now
Yes,
she's
sir.
covering how many rounds?
Sir, 3 rounds.
So we need to multiply by 3 to get the total distance covered, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let us take Meenu. Okay, Meenu, if she runs around the square park one round, what is the distance she's covering?
Sir, 30 into, sir, 1 round, sir.
One round, what is that?
Sir, 1 round she covers, sir.
One round, if she cover, what is the distance she's traveling?
Sir, 30 into 4, sir.
Okay, that is nothing but you are using the perimeter of square formula, 4 into side. 30 into 4 you did or 4 into 3, no problem. But like that, she's taking how many rounds?
Sir, sir, 6 rounds.
Where 6 rounds? See the question properly.
4 rounds, sir.
4 rounds. Multiply by 4. Okay. Now, what is the question that they are asking? Who is covering less distance and by how much? I want to know who is covering less distance. So, what shall I do?
Sir, first simplify Manju, sir.
Simplify Manju.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 55 into 2 into 3, sir.
Okay. What is the answer?
55 into 2 into 10, 11, 12. Sir, 1 second, sir. Sir, 6 into 55, sir.
Final answer.
6 into 55 into 6. Sir, 330.
Yes, 330 is correct. But Manaswini, I told you some tricks to use while multiplying. Okay. 30 plus 20, 35 plus 20, we can write 55. Always try to search for 2s and 5s. That will make the multiplication easy. From 55, can I get a 5 as factor?
Yes, sir.
Can I write 55 as a product of two numbers having one factor 5?
Yes, sir.
How can I write?
Sir?
How can I write 55 as product of two factors where one factor is 5?
Sir, HCF.
No need of HCF. Can we simply write 5 into 11?
Yes, sir.
Now you use this 2 and 5 separate later. Okay, now just multiply 11 and 3.
Sir, 11 and 3, 33.
And just add 0. That's it. We got the answer easily or not?
Yes, sir.
So always you try to search for 2 and 5, that will make the multiplication easy. And here also, can you prepare any 2s and 5s in this?
Yes. No, sir.
Come again?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, tell me.
Sir,
How
sir,
to prepare 5 from this 30?
sir, 1 second.
5 into which number will give you 30?
Sir, 5 into 6.
So we can cut this and write 5 into 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Or simply, already there is a 0. Okay, no need to search for that. So we have a 0 now. Just multiply these 3. 4 into 4 into 3.
Sir, 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 3. Sir, 48.
So 48, you add 0 at the end. Now you can compare. So what is the question that they are asking? Who is covering less distance?
Yes, sir. Sir, Manju is covering less distance, sir.
They're asking one more question, that is by how much? By how much she is covering less?
Sir, minus 330 minus 480.
Yes, the final answer we got, Manju is covering less distance. By how much means we need to find the difference. 480 minus 330. What is the answer?
150.
So Manju and 150, where it is?
Sir, Manju 150 option C.
Option C. Very good, Manaswini. So you can mute now. So this is how we are going to find. This is the application of perimeter. Okay. So we found the distances covered by both of them and subtracted. We got the answer. So answer is Manju is covering less distance, and by how much less distance? 150 meters. That is we got by the difference of those two. And next question came in the same paper, 2020 exam. So find the perimeter of the following figure. Okay. So you need to find the perimeter of this. All the required dimensions are given. Who is going to answer this? Yes, Rishika, how to solve this question? Rishika.
Sir,
Yes, Rishika, how to solve this question?
sir, add all.
Add all. Okay, shall I start from any corner?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which corner? Shall I start from here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start adding.
1 plus
Yes, 1 plus
1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus
no,
4.
go on adding. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, like that. Go on adding.
1 plus 3 4 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 3 9 9 plus 4 13 13 plus 1 14 14 plus 3
Wait, wait.
17.
Rishika, wait. Before you add all of them, first you identify any pattern.
Okay,
Before you add all of them, you identified any pattern first.
sir.
Did you identify any pattern in the figure?
No, sir.
No, no pattern. Okay,
Sir,
I'll come back to you, Rishika. Meanwhile, you can add all the numbers and be ready with the perimeter. Okay. And anybody found the pattern in this figure to answer quickly? Yes, Sharath, did you identify any pattern in this figure? Sharath? Sharath, are you there? Sharath, no response. Sriyansh? Sriyansh, is there any pattern you identified?
Yes, sir.
What is the pattern?
Sir, the pattern repeating, sir. Sir, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1.
Yeah, that means 4 times it is repeated. Why to add all of them? Just find one
First
to
we
add. Yes,
first term and then we want to multiply by 4, sir.
yes, that's it. Why to add all of them? Only one part. You take any one part. Let's take only this part.
Yes.
This is one hand of the figure. So one hand of the figure, you find the perimeter first.
Sir, 13, sir.
Okay, let me write it here. So we are adding 4, 1, 3, 2, and we are adding one more 3 at the bottom. So this is giving one hand perimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are you getting the sum?
Sir, 13.
13. Like this, how many hands are there?
4.
So the required perimeter is going to be 4 into 13. What is the answer?
52.
52 is correct answer. So that is answer B. Very good, Shriyansh. You can mute. So if you do like this, you will get the answer quickly. Otherwise, you will waste time unnecessarily, adding on all the numbers starting from beginning to end. Okay. So before you do anything, you search for any pattern so that you can save the time easily. Time is very important in competitive exams. Okay. So answer is 52 centimeters. Next question in the same paper 2020 year. The area of a circle is given, then asking you to find the diameter, and they are giving in the brackets use pi 22/7. Whenever they give in the question, no, I know pi is 3.14 also. I'll use 3.14 only. Yes, you'll get the answer, but approximately you'll get, but you will not get the option required. So whenever they mention in the bracket, use that value only 22/7. So who is going to answer this? Amshuman, read the question again. Amshuman. Anshuman, are you there? Harini, read the question again.
The area of circle is 616 centimeters square and the diameter.
Okay, first of all, we know any relationship between the area and the diameter.
Yes, sir.
What is the relation between area and the diameter?
Sir, we should write the formula and then we will substitute the answer.
No. First, what is the relationship between area and diameter? See, if I ask the relation between area and radius, we have a direct relation. What is that? Area is equal to pi r square, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you know any direct relationship between the area and the diameter?
Sir, pi d.
Pi d is circumference.
Sir, pi d by 2.
Wrong. Okay, who will tell me the direct relationship between area and diameter? Harini, you try to simplify and tell me the answer again. Vishnu, can you tell me the direct relationship between area and diameter of a circle?
Sir, area is equal to pi r square, and then I could find the answer.
I don't want to involve the radius. I want to deal with only diameter and get the answer. Do you know any direct relationship between area and diameter? Okay, you try. Daksh, you know any direct relationship between the area and diameter?
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Any direct relationship between area and diameter, you know?
no, sir.
Abhyuday? Abhyuday,
Sir,
you know?
sir, C square by pi r.
No. The c square by it's not pi r. It's c square by 4 pi. That is for area and circumference relation. Okay, if you don't know, we can create one. What is the problem? See, area is equal to 4. Sorry, it is pi r square. Then what I do is I want to involve diameter. What is the relation between diameter and radius? We know diameter is 2 times the radius. That means d is equal to 2r. But I want to write r in terms of d. See, if you can write d is equal to 2r, can't we write r is equal to d by 2? Yes, we can write. So substitute this in place of this r, you will get the required relation. So what you do, area is equal to pi times, in place of r, you use d by 2 whole square. So you are going to get area is equal to, square can be distributed for both d as well as 2. So d square by 4. So we can write pi d square by 4. So you can remember this as a direct relationship between area and diameter of a circle. So what is this? Area is equal to pi d square by 4. So two formulas are useful. When radius is given, we can use pi r square. When diameter is given, you can use pi d square by 4 to save time. Okay. So now area is given 616 centimeters square, and using this we want to find the diameter. Okay. Harini, you're answering this question. No, continue.
Sir, and pi r square. Sir, pi d pi d square by 4.
Yes. Now area is given 616 and we need to find the diameter. What shall I do?
16 equals to 22 by 7 into x by 4. X square by 4.
22 by 7 d square and divided by 4. If
4.
divided by 4, can I write the reciprocal like this 1 by 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I want the d square value. So what I'm going to do?
Sir, transfer 616 into the right side.
Not
Sir,
616, the other numbers to the 61 side, left side. So 22 by 7 is going to be?
sir, 7 by 22.
1 by 4 is going to be?
4.
Let's now simplify this.
Sir, 2 2s are 2 11s are.
Yes, 2 2s and 2 11s. Next.
Sir, 11 ones and
Yes.
11.
See, 616, divisibility rule by 11. You can check 616 is divisible by 11 or not.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 56.
11 5s are 55 and 11 6 are 66. Now 56 into 7 into 2 we got, and we want to find the value of D. So what can we do?
So 56 into 7 and then we will multiply by 2.
Okay, then what are you going to get?
So, sir, I'm trying.
Harina, are you multiplying them?
Sir, yes, sir.
Again, you are doing the same mistake. So whenever you got D square term and you want to find D, better than finding product, you go for factorizations. Okay,
Sir,
you will get the answer easily.
sir
So
7 8.
D square is equal to 56. Already there is a factor 7. Can you extract a factor 7 from 56?
Sir, 7 8s are 50.
So we can write 7 into 8 into 7 into 2. I'm not writing 8 because 8 is not a perfect square. So can I write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2? Like this, can I split all the 8?
Yes, sir.
Now it is very easy to find the D. Okay, whenever square term is factorized like this, from every pair we can take one number, no? From 7 and 7 I can take one 7. Yes?
Yes, sir.
From 2 and 2 I can take one 2. And from 2 and 2 I can take one 2. Is it very simple to find the square roots?
Yes, sir.
So if you multiply this, you'll get very big number, and then you're going to factorize, and again you're going to do the same thing, no? So whenever I'm telling you, I've been telling you from the beginning of the class. So whenever simplifications are ready for you, so don't do in the beginning, drag them until the end, and whenever it is, timing is very important when to simplify them. The timing for this is to split into even factors. That is the easy method for this. So 7 into 2 into 2, what is the answer?
Sir, 28.
Yes, 28 is the diameter. We got the answer. Which option?
Sir, option A.
Option A. Yes, Harini, you can mute. So this is the answer. So diameter of the circle, we got 28. So textual solution, they found first radius and then doubled it to get the diameter. But directly also we can do. So the direct relationship is area is equal to pi d square by 4. So even you can use that. So 2020 exam, one more question came, that is a rectangular path of 60 meters length and 3 meters width is covered by square tiles of side 25 centimeters each. Find the number of tiles used to construct this path. Simple question. Who is going to answer? Pranay, read the question again.
A rectangular path of 60 meters length and 3 meters width is covered by square tiles of 25 centimeters each. Find the number of tiles used to construct path.
Okay, first of all, the entire path is in which shape?
The rectangle.
What are the dimensions?
There 60 meters, 3 meters.
Okay, and it should be covered by some small square tiles, right?
Yes, sir.
How many tiles we don't know, we need to find that. Okay, don't count the number of tiles where I'm drawing. Okay, that is only for illustration I have drawn. So each square tile dimension is given. What is the side of each tile?
25 centimeters.
Yes, this each side is given 25 centimeters. So only one tile dimension is given, and we want to find the number of tiles required. How are you going to solve this?
Sir, first 60 meters multiplied by 3 meters.
Why are you multiplying?
Sir, because we want area and square area and tiles area and divide how many
Very
tiles
good. Very good. So the number of tiles is equal to area of the rectangular path by or divided by area of each tile. So the number of tiles. Okay. So what is area of the rectangle?
2 into L plus B.
Area of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B.
Sir, length into breadth, sir.
So can I write 60 into 3?
Sir, sir.
Okay, divided by what is the area of each tile?
Sir, 25 centimeters.
Okay, so what is the area I can write? Side is 25. What is the area?
25 multiplied by 25.
Okay, if you simplify this, you'll get the answer.
Yes, sir.
Pranay, you're missing something.
Sir,
Yes.
upside there is meters.
Yes. Why are you not taking care of the units? You must say, sir, they are meters, these are centimeters. We cannot do. First, either you convert both of them into meters or you convert both of them into centimeters. Okay. So which one is easy for us? Meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter?
Sir, meter to centimeter.
Okay, 60 meters convert into centimeters.
60 to 100.
Yes, 1 meter is equal to 100. So 60 into 100, these many centimeters is the length into breadth.
3 into 100.
Yes, 3 into 100 centimeters. Now they are in centimeters, no problem. Now divided by each tile area.
25 centimeters multiplied by 25 centimeters.
Yes, now they are both having same units, so no problem. Now how to simplify this?
Sir, 25 ones are 25 fives are 25 fours are 100.
25 into 400 and 25 into 400. Now you get the answer easily. Do it.
Sir, 250. So 1 second.
Use 0 at the end. In 60, you don't use 0. Just take it at the end.
Sir, 242. Sir, 240 multiplied by 12, sir.
Final answer. Pranay, simplification should be very fast, other you'll be wasting time.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Sir, 2800. Sir, 288. Sir, 2880.
That's it, 2880 only. Okay, which option is correct?
Sir, option C.
Yes, C is correct. Very good, Pranay. You can mute now. So this is the answer we got. Option C is correct. Okay, so whenever the number of tiles we need to find, so find the total area and find the area of each tile and divide, you'll get the number of tiles required. That is 2880. Next question, 2019 exam, you got this. If area of a rectangular garden of 5 meters breadth is 300 square meters, then what will be the length of the garden? Simple question. Who's going to answer? Abhiday, can you answer this?
Sir, area of a rectangular garden is. Sir, area of a rectangle is length into breadth, sir.
Okay, you want to write the formula. Area is equal to length into breadth. Now you want the length of the rectangle.
Yes, sir. Then you can transpose B that side.
Okay, we got A by B. What is area given?
Sir, 300 square meters.
What is the breadth?
Sir, 5.
So because both of them are in the units meter only, so no problem. You can start dividing.
Sir, 1 560.
So the answer is 60 meters. Which option?
Sir, option A.
Option A. Very simple question. They got the answer 60 meters.
Sir?
Yes, you got the answer 60 meters.
Okay, sir.
Option A. Abhida, you can mute.
Okay, sir.
Next question in the same paper, 2019 paper. Find the perimeter of the following figure. Who is going to answer this?
Sir, can you tell the answer?
Yeah, Abhida, you wait. Let me check with other students. So only 5 students are interested in answering the perimeter. Is the perimeter that difficult? Harshit, Bhuvana, Sriradhya, Srivatsav, Rishikesh, Manaswini, Sharad, Rishika, Pranay. Keeping quiet. Even if I am not giving choice, just show your interest. Teacher will know that this student want to say the answer. Yes, Amshuman, are you still there or not?
Sir?
Amshuman, I called you twice in the class, but you are not responding.
Sir?
Amshuman, I called you twice in the
Sir,
class.
I joined late, sir.
No, I saw your name and you're raising hand, and I'm calling you, but you're not responding.
Sir, the signal is not working, sir, in our
Okay, no
room.
problem. Find the perimeter.
Sir, we can have the figure, sir.
Very good. Great idea. Okay. So other than adding all of them, okay, what Amshuman is doing, he's going to divide into two equal pieces because it is symmetrical shape, no? Symmetrical shape means we can draw a line of symmetry and two equal pieces are going to be there. So he's not going to find all the sum. Only one part he will be finding and multiply by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But here 1 centimeter is there. I want to have only half of that.
Sir, 0.5.
Yes, this point is going to be 0.5 and this part is going to be 0.5. Next.
Sir, 0.5 plus 4 is equals to 4.5.
Okay.
So 4.5 plus 0.5 is equals to 5, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 5 plus 2.5 is equals to 7.5 into 2, 15 centimeters.
That's very simple. So you got 7.5 is one part perimeter contributing to perimeter, and 7.5 into 2, you're going to get 15 centimeter or centimeter square.
The centimeter.
Because it is which quantity, perimeter or area?
Sir, perimeter.
So it is answer A. Amshman, you can mute. So got the same answer, that is 15 centimeters. And next 2019 paper. A floor is 5 meters long and 4 meters wide. A square carpet of side 3 meters is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Who's going to answer this? So this cost of a dozen pens. No, this is from the next question, I think. So don't consider the last line of this question. So who's going to answer this? Shriyansh, can you read again?
A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of side 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted.
Yes.
Sir, first we want to find the area of the square and we want to find the area of the rectangle and we want to subtract, sir.
Okay, what is the area of the outer rectangle?
Sir?
Area of the outer rectangle.
Sir, 20 meter square.
Okay, 5 into 4, length into breadth, minus, what is the inner square area?
Sir, 9 meter square, sir.
3 into 3, that is side into side. Now simplify, 20 minus 9.
Sir, 11 meter square.
11 meter square, option C. So very simple question. So
Sir, I can't understood cost of dozen pens is 180 and cost.
I told you already, no, the question came from the next line of the next question. You can forget about it.
Okay, sir.
So this is the answer, that is 11 meters square. So find
Sir,
the area of the outer rectangle and the inner square. You can find the area and then you can subtract. So
sir,
are
can
you
I
interested to
next
answer
question?
the next question also? Okay.
Sir,
Read the
can I
question.
answer?
Yes, yes.
The length of a rectangle is 5 centimeters more than its breadth. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 50 centimeters, then what is its area?
Yes.
Perimeter is equals to 50, sir.
Okay.
Sir, so 2 into
Okay. First of all, let me write the perimeter formula. That is, perimeter is 2 times length plus breadth. Yes. What is the relationship between length and breadth given?
sir, length is equals to 5 plus b, sir.
Okay. So perimeter, how much?
Sir,
Perimeter.
the perimeter is equals to 50 centimeters.
Yes.
2 into 2 into b plus 5
Yes. Length is 5 centimeters more than breadth. So length we can write b plus 5. Very good.
plus b.
Plus b. Then.
Sir, here 2 is multiplying. We want to transpose, then it divides, sir.
Okay. 50 divided by 2. Can I write directly 25 here?
Yes, sir.
B plus b
2b plus 5.
plus 5. Yes.
So plus 5 we want to transpose, it is minus 5, sir.
So 2b is equal to 25 minus 5.
20.
Now b value.
So b is equals to 10.
Yes, b is 10. Now we got the breadth, but the final question, that is not about the breadth, about area.
Sir, 150 square centimeters.
Okay, how you got the area before finding length?
Length is equals to breadth plus 10, sir. So length is equals to 15.
Breadth plus 5, not 10. So it is 10 plus
I
5 is going to be 15. Now we can find the area, that is length into breadth. 15 into 10 is going to be 150 centimeters square. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Wait a second, Sriyansh, can you solve the same question in any other method possible? So this is the standard method you did, like you use the perimeter formula and length is equal to b plus 1 and everything. So can you solve this in any other method?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Okay. First, let me ask other students and get back. Sriyansh, you can meanwhile try in any other method possible. So students, I am lowering all the hands. So if anyone can answer in any other method, try. Yes, Pranay, how can we solve in any other method?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can I read the question?
Yeah, read the question again.
The length of a rectangle is 5 centimeters more than its breadth. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 50 centimeters, then what is the area?
Yes. We know
The
perimeter and we know length and breadth relation and how to find the area.
first perimeter length plus 5 is equals to
That means you are doing the same method, no? As how Sriyan said. Any other method possible? Amshuman?
Sir,
Yes, Amshuman.
we can find in also another method, sir.
Can you
Sir,
explain?
sir, the length of the rectangle is 5 centimeters more than breadth.
Yes.
Then area will be breadth into breadth plus 5.
Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
b into b is equal to t square, sir.
Okay.
Sir, b into 5 is equals to 5.
Okay.
Sir, the perimeter of then the sum of the adjacent side is,
Amshuman, you're not audible to me clearly.
sir.
Yes, yes. Continue.
Sir, wait a minute, sir.
Okay, you can try,
Sir,
Anshuman.
sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes, Anshuman.
sir, the only one option that is b square plus 5b is equals to 150 only, sir.
Why 150 only?
Sir,
Why 150 only?
because of the 5b plus b square is only 150 only there, sir.
Why 150? Why not 250? Why not 900? I'm asking. Okay.
Sir, I don't.
Vishnu, can you say in any other method?
Sir, I have a method.
Okay, tell me.
Sir, because the perimeter is 50 centimeters, the
Okay.
sum of the length and breadth is 25 centimeters.
Very good, very good. Next.
And then they said the one number is 5 more than the other.
Yes.
So 2b plus is equal to 25.
Yes.
So then, the numbers are 15 and 10.
Yes.
Multiply, we have to get
Yes,
to
Vishnu, I
1.
understood what you are going to say. The method number two, I'm supposed to say the same thing as Vishnu is trying. See, yeah, every time we are depending on the formulas, that is good, but to save time, we need to search for some other methods. Okay, so there is a rectangle. Okay, length and breadth we don't know, but perimeter is there. You know, perimeter is sum of all the sides L plus B plus L plus B. That is 50. If you remove one L and one B, so half of the perimeter is going to be 25. So can I write L plus B is 25? Yes. And then they said length of the rectangle is 5 more than the breadth. That means I can write L minus B is equal to 5. Okay. So we got sum of the two numbers is 25 and difference of the two numbers is 5. I told you the shortcut to find each the number. That is add by 2. You'll get bigger number. Subtract by 2. You'll get the smaller number. What is this? 30 by 2 is 15 and 20 by 2 is 10. We got 15 and 10. So using that, we can find the answer. That is area is 150. Okay. So this is how we are going to answer.
So can I mute?
Yeah, you can mute. And there is still another method also possible. That is method number 3. That is, if you remember in one of the previous grand test discussions, I told you one method that is, you have any two numbers, whether it may be length, breadth, x, y, a, b, whatever it may be. Okay, that is sum of them square. That is square of the sum minus square of their difference is always equal to 4 times their product. Remember this. This is very useful. So any two numbers you have, whether it is a, b, length, breadth, x, y, whatever it may be, square of their sum minus square of their difference is equal to 4 times their product. Okay, still you can use that. So sum of the length and breadth is nothing but L plus B whole square, and difference is L minus B whole square, and product is LB. Okay, so already we got L plus B value, that is 25, and L minus B value we got 5, that is equal to 4 times. LB is nothing but area only, so you can write area here. Now this one 25 square minus 5 square, either you want to use a square minus b square formula, you can use, that is a plus b into a minus b, or even we can directly simplify. 25 square is 625 and 5 square is 25. You can subtract, you'll get 625 minus 25 is 600, that is equal to 4a. Now from this we got the value of a, that is 600 by 4 is nothing but 150. So this is how we get the answer in different methods. So the answer is 150 centimeters square. So I can say this is using the perimeter formula, and I can say this is the shortcut when we try to find using sum and difference how to find the numbers. And then this is the easiest way of doing this question, that is any two numbers sum square minus difference squares is going to be 4 times the product. Okay, so this is how we solve this, and the answer is 150 centimeters square. Next question, 2019 paper. The ratio of the length to breadth of a rectangular lawn is given 5:3. It costs 3,200 rupees to fence it at the rate of 2 rupees per meter. What would be the cost of developing the lawn at the rate of 10 rupees per square meter? Who will be answering this question? Ashavardhan, read the question again. Ashavardhan,
Sir,
read the question again.
of the breadth to the of a rectangle lawn is 5:3. It costs 3,200 to fence. It at the rate of 2 rupees per meter. What would be the cost of developing the lawn at the rate of 10 rupees per square meter?
Yes, Ashavardhan.
Sir, they are asking. Sir, you can give me time.
Okay, you want time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sriyansh?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can I read question?
Yes.
The ratio of length to breadth of a rectangular lawn is 5:3. Its cost 3,200 to fence it at the rate of 2 per meter. What would be the cost of developing the lawn at the rate of 10 per square meter?
Yes. Yes, Sriyansh, what is the ratio of length and breadth?
Sir, ratio of length and breadth is 5:3, sir.
Okay. Do you know
Sir,
the perimeter of the rectangle?
no, sir. Sir, 5 plus 3 into 2 is equals to.
No. How do you know length is 5, breadth is 3? Their ratio is 5:3, but you
Sir,
don't know length is 5, breadth is 5, breadth is 3.
sir, 5x plus 3, sir.
Okay, you want to use the length is 5x and breadth is 3x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then
5x plus 3x into 2 is equals to
okay.
3,200 into 2.
Multiplied by 2, that you are getting the perimeter. Okay, 2
Yes,
times
sir.
LSB. Now
Sir,
perimeter, every meter how much cost, what is the rate?
sir, 2 meters, sir. 2,
Again I
2
will
rupees
multiply by 2.
is equals to 3,200.
Yes. Next.
Sir, we can find the value of x.
Okay, 5x plus 3x is 8x. Can I
8x.
transfer both 2's to the right side?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll be getting 2 into 2. Even you want to transpose this 8 here, you can cut and write here.
8 ones, 8 400.
Okay.
2 ones, 2 200.
2 2s are 4, it is 100. Next.
Sir, so x is equals to 4, sir. See, x is equals to 100, sir.
So we got x is equal to 100. So we got length and breadth, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is length?
Sir, length is 500.
Okay.
Sir, breadth is 300.
Okay.
Sir, then 500 into 500 plus 300.
Why 500 plus 300?
Sir, then the land developing of 10 meters per square meter, no, sir.
Square meter or meter?
Sir, meter. Square meter, sir.
Square meter is the unit of area or perimeter?
Sir, area.
So we need to find area, no?
Yes, sir.
So what is the area?
Sir, 500 into 300, sir.
Okay, let us directly find the cost. No area, directly cost. First area is 500 into 300. This will be in meter squares. But every
Yes, sir.
meter square, what is the cost?
10, sir. Multiply by 10.
Yes. What is the final answer?
15 lakhs.
15 followed by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 15 lakh rupees. So which option?
Sir, option B.
Yes. Sriyansh, without using the perimeter formula 2 into L plus B, finding x, using x, finding breadth and length, without using all this, can you directly find length and breadth value using any other method? I will give you a clue. So what is this?
Sir, 5:3.
It is from ratio, right?
Yes, sir.
So we know ratio, that is share formula, right?
Yes, sir.
Whenever sum of the two things are given and ratio is given, we can find each individual thing using the share formula.
Sir, 3/8 into 3,200.
Wrong, wrong.
Sir,
See, this 5 is corresponding to the length and 3 is corresponding to the breadth. You should
yes,
find L plus B value, then share formula, right?
yes, sir. L plus B 8, sir. 8x.
Wait a minute. First of all, I want to find the perimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
It is total cost is 3,200 rupees at the rate of 2 rupees per meter. Then what should be the perimeter?
Sir, perimeter 8, sir. 16, sir.
What? 1600? No.
Yes, sir. 1600.
See, 3,200 you have to divide by 2. We'll get 1600 meters, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So perimeter is 1600. So is this L plus B value 1600?
Yes, sir.
No,
Sir, why, sir? We can.
it is not L plus B value.
Sir, it is perimeter, sir.
I'm asking, is this L plus B value?
No, sir.
What is that?
Sir, it is perimeter, sir.
What is perimeter?
Sir, L plus B multiplied by 2 times.
It is multiplied by 2, 1600. But I want L plus B only. What is L plus B?
Sir, divided by 2, sir.
Is 800.
Yes, sir.
Now we can use the share formula here.
Yes, sir.
Sum of length and breadth is given, and the ratio L to B ratio is also given 5:3. Now without involving X, can we find L and B separately using share formula?
Yes, sir.
5 parts out of?
8 parts into 800.
Yes, this is length and breadth.
Out of 8 parts into 800.
Yes, directly we get length and breadth now. This is
Yes,
8 into 100, and this is also going to be 100. So 5 into 100 is 500, and 3 into
100.
100 is 300. From here it is again the same method, right?
Sir.
So, but this part you can do in share formula, right?
Yes, sir.
Share formula is useful when length to breadth ratio is given and perimeter is given. Try to find L plus B, and when you get the L plus B value, then there onwards you can use share formula. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, you can mute now. So the answer, final answer, we got 15 lakh rupees, option B. Next 2018 exam, we got this. The perimeter of a rectangle and square are same. Length and breadth of the rectangle are given 10 and 8 respectively. Then what is the area of the square? Simple question. Who is going to answer? So in this class, who never raised the hands? Who are they? Harshita, Harshit, Bhuvana, Sharath at least tried some answer. Nishil, not at all raising hand. Rishika at least trying. Saharsha. These students are not raising hand for any question, at least should try. Okay, Harshavardhan, read the question.
Sir?
Read the question again.
Yes, sir. Sir, the perimeter of a rectangle and square are same. Length and breadth of the rectangle are 10 centimeters and 8 centimeters respectively. What is the area of the square?
Yes.
Sir, first we want to find the perimeter of rectangle, and we want to they said now the perimeter of the rectangle and square are same. Sir,
Yes.
so the perimeter of square is 4 into side. So we want to divide perimeter by 4, and we
Very
get
good.
side.
Very good.
And
First of all, I understood what you are saying. How to write this mathematically? This first statement. The perimeter of the rectangle and a square are same. How to write this
sir,
first sentence mathematically?
sir, P is equals to R and
First of all,
X
what is
sir.
perimeter of the rectangle? Can I write 2 into L plus B?
Yes, sir.
That is equal to what is the perimeter of square?
Sir, 4 into side.
4 into side. Yes. And now we want to find the area of the square. To find the area of the square, we want to find side square, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I cancel 2 2s are 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now L and B substitute.
Sir, L Sir, L and B substitute is equals to 10 plus 8.
10 plus 8, can I write 18?
Yes, sir.
18 is equal to 2s. Now what is s value?
Sir, transpose 2.
What is s?
Sir, 9.
9. Now squaring on both sides, we get s square how much?
Sir, x 81.
S square is nothing
81.
but the area only.
Yes, sir. 81 square centimeters.
So what is the answer? It is C.
Yes, sir.
So instead of finding the perimeter, you can delete that factor 2 and get the answer easily, okay? But your way of answering also correct. So this is 81.
Sir, this is only the shortest method.
Shortest means only I divided that factor of 2 so that it decreased the numbers, okay?
Okay, sir.
So you want to deal with bigger numbers or smaller numbers to find the answers easily.
Sir, smaller numbers.
That's why I always try to simplify the things.
Sir, may I can answer this question?
I want to answer this, okay?
The number of square sides is 15. Required flooring, a room size of 3.6 meters into 4.5 meters will be.
Do you remember the similar type of question was answered by whom?
Sir, I think it was gone electricity, sir, between.
Okay, no problem. So how to solve such type of questions?
Sir, first to find the area of the total that floors are 3.6 into 4.5.
Okay.
Sir, and divide it by 15, sir.
Okay, tell
sir,
me what.
But we want to check units also, sir, because 15
Yes,
is
very
in
good.
centimeters.
The number of tiles is area by area, right?
Yes, sir, number
What
of
is
tiles.
the area of the room?
Sir, 3.6 meters into 4.5 meters.
You tell me both the units you want to make it centimeters or make it meters?
Sir, centimeters.
Okay, how to convert meters to centimeters?
Sir, into 100.
3.6 meters. Let us write directly in centimeters. Can I write 360 centimeters?
Yes, sir.
4.5 meters.
Sir, 450.
450 centimeters divided by what is the area of the each tile?
Sir, 15 square. 15 into
15
15.
centimeter into 15 centimeter. So you can cancel the units first. Now simplify this.
Sir, 15 threes are 15 threes
15
40
3s
feet.
and 0. Yes.
Sir, 15 ones and 15 twos.
Yes, next.
Sir, next 360 into 2, sir.
What is the answer?
Sir, wait 1 minute. Sir, 720.
Yes, 720. Which option?
Sir, option A.
Yes, option A is correct. So 2018 paper, there is one more question on perimeter and area.
Sir, make an answer.
So this is the final question in today's class. No, Harshvardhan, let's ask any of the student. Pranay, can you read the question?
Sir,
Yes.
a boy runs around a rectangular field of length 30 meters and breadth 25 meters. How much distance he runs if he takes 4 rounds of the field?
Okay. If he round only one round, if he runs around only one round, what is the distance he covered? It is equal to?
Sir, it is equal to perimeter of rectangle.
What is the perimeter of rectangle?
2 into L plus B.
What is the length?
40 meters.
What is the breadth?
25 meters.
So this is one round. But he is taking how many rounds?
Sir, 4 rounds.
Multiply by 4. That will give you the answer.
Yes, sir.
Simplify this. 60 plus 25. Can I write 65?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
65 into.
I told you 65. There is a factor of 5 possible. So 5 into which number is 65?
Sir, 5 13s.
Yeah, 5 into 13. Now 5 and 2 we can make them separate, right?
Yes, sir.
Because we can see is 0 at the end. 13 4s are
52.
now use 0. What is the answer?
520 meters. Option C.
Answer is very good. So, students, that's it from today's class. Okay. Um, so we are almost at the end of perimeter and areas chapter, and tomorrow we are going to discuss volume, surface area, and data handling. Both are going to be completed. So, all the students, thank you for joining. You may leave the class now. So, in whichever subject you think that you require the revision, so without wasting time, revise all the chapters and which type of questions you are not getting the ideas quickly. So try to solve more and more questions from that topic. So we have only last 2 days for revision. So revise properly, and wherever you are losing marks, concentrate at topics more. So thank you, students, for joining. You may leave the class now.